Hey everybody, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in to another video of One Tool a Week, guy. If you're new to the channel, we take a look at tools every week. So if you love tools, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What is it that we're going to be taking a look at this week? Well, this week I went ahead and picked up this baby. This is going to be the Veto Pro Pack hose hauler, which is super nice. You're gonna see that this is all the way around, a little bit of dirt right there, but it'll come off, and you're gonna see that it's gonna be made with the Veto quality. So let's see what we got. So the first thing is you're gonna have a nice large pouch in the very front where you could add some items on there depending on what you're gonna want to use on this. Now the main reason I ended up purchasing one of these is because I ended up getting a two brushing machine, and it has a wire that rotates, and I was able to sort it out with some brushes inside. Now the main purpose that you're probably gonna end up using it is for HVAC, as far as hauling your hoses for your gauges. So you're able to store them all here, and also your CO2, or I'm sorry, your nitrogen hoses, all that stuff. So you're gonna see that you're gonna have two multiple compartments right here. Very nice for hauling different things and organizing. And of course you're gonna have a divider, and if you want a larger bag, you're able to have a larger bag. So a nice little Velcro on the inside for the divider, very nice. And of course clear pockets, which always comes in handy, so you could see what's inside. You're able to store your hoses in here. You're gonna have a nice little box that also velcroed on there. You can remove it. This is where I ended up storing some of the brushes that I was using for tube brushing. And let's go ahead and close that up. And also, if you want to store some fittings or some Schrader valves, Schrader caps, anything like that. And the hoses are going to go all the way around right here. These are going to be dividers. You could actually remove them if you choose to, and that way you could have larger space and store more hoses. Or if you want to store your hoses and add small little parts here and there, super nice and convenient. Now let's go ahead and close that up. You're also going to have the nice Veto Pro Pack zippers. And then you're gonna have some nice little connections, and if you want to add a strap to it, or if you want to add some Teflon or tape holders, you could do that. And of course multiple loops, and of course the Veto Pack holster on the top. So this alone is gonna set you back for $99 online. I was able to find it on Amazon for $129. Let me know if this would come in handy and how you would use it. And as always, thanks for watching One Tool a Week.